Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get any audio or any video as your ringtone on your iPhone. On Android it's pretty straightforward. You can use any audio and set it as your ringtone or any video. But in iPhone it's pretty complex. So I'm going to break it down for you, make it easy for you, and you can also do it on your iPhone. There are a few things that we need before we get started. We got to keep them in our mind. There are two apps that we need. One of them is Ringtone Maker and the other one is GarageBand. By the way, it's not sponsored. I'm using them because they can get the work done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download a video from TikTok, my own video from my own profile. Yeah, no copyright issue, brother. I don't need anything like that. I'm going to go to my profile, download a video from my profile and use its audio as the ringtone for my phone. I'm going to go open TikTok and then go to my profile, and as you know, click on the three dots. The window will pop up, and here what you need to do is click on save video. So it's going to download the video. Once the video is downloaded, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to Ringtone Makers. Now I'm going to head to Ringtone Maker, and in Ringtone Maker what I'm going to do is let the advertisement pass, and after that what I'm going to do is click on the plus on the top right corner and then click on import videos. Once I click on import videos, I'm going to click on start import and select the video that I want to import and then go next. Now here it'll import it as an audio. It'll convert it into an MP3 file. Select that and then go and click on make ringtone/trim. Now here what's going to happen is it's going to give me the option of trimming it. Click on set ringtone and then click on the app where it shows set as GarageBand. I'm going to click on set as GarageBand and then this window will open up, that window of GarageBand, and it will import the MP3 file here. Now once it's imported, what you need to do is click on that file that was just imported. So yeah, now click on it and press OK, and here you can also trim it if you want any trimming to do. That's why I didn't trim it at the other place before, so I'm gonna trim it if I need to, but for now I'll just use the entire song for the ringtone. Now once I'm done with that, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this button, this little drop down button, and it's going to save it. Now after that what I'm going to do is long hold the project file and then click on share. Now it's going to show me a bunch of options, so I'm interested in sharing it as a ringtone, so I'm going to click on ringtone, and then this one will pop up, and here I'm going to name it, this instance I'm going to name it ringtone 1. So once it's named ringtone 1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on export. Now it'll take some time to export it depending on the audio quality, my bad, and then it's going to show you this option where it says use sound as. So I'm going to click on use sound as, and then it's going to show me this option. So I'm going to standard ringtone, and yep, this audio is now set as your standard ringtone. So to show you proof, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head back to setting, and in the setting I'm going to go to sound and haptic, and in there I'm going to go on my ringtones, and here you can see that the ringtone 1 which we just saved is the ringtone for my phone call. This is how you can get any audio or video as your ringtone for your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, comment if you have any question, and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you in the next one. Peace.